Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. This is an overview of our Christmas tree, Christmas 2023 for my family and I had wanted to share our decorations with you all. I've been having so many issues with my music and uploading this video, so I pray you all enjoy this quick overview of how our home is looking this year for Christmas 2023. If you're new here, I'm Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So sit back and enjoy.